Looking for refreshing drinks to beat the summer heat? As we all know, summer is that time of the year when the sun has no mercy, and the heat can be relentless. It's vital not only to stay cool, but also to keep our bodies well hydrated. But who said hydration has to be tedious or tasteless? Welcome to our journey through the world of thirst-quenching, refreshing summer drinks. These aren't just your average drinks. They are loaded with flavors that explode in your mouth, providing not just relief from the heat, but also a multitude of health benefits. Imagine sipping on a cold, fruity concoction while lounging by the pool or in your backyard. It's not just about quenching your thirst. It's about indulging in a sensory experience that leaves you feeling revitalized and ready to take on the summer heat. So, are you ready to find your perfect summer companion? Stay tuned as we dive into our list of refreshing summer drinks. First up on our list is the watermelon slushie. Ah, watermelon, the quintessential summer fruit. This juicy delight is not just a treat to your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of hydration. Comprising over 90% water, watermelon is Mother Nature's own hydration pack. Rich in electrolytes and vitamins, this fruit is a perfect ingredient to help you stay refreshed on hot summer days. Now let's dive into how you can transform this wonderful fruit into a delightful slushie. The process is as simple as the ingredients required. All you need is a ripe watermelon, a dash of lime juice, a handful of fresh mint, and a pinch of salt. If you have a sweet tooth, you might want to add a spoonful of honey or sugar, but remember, the watermelon itself is quite sweet. Start by cutting the watermelon into chunks. Don't worry about the seeds, we're going to strain them out later. Once you've got your watermelon chunks ready, it's time to blend them. Toss them into a blender, add your lime juice, mint, and a pinch of salt. Blend until everything is well combined. Next, strain the mixture through a sieve to get rid of any seeds and pulp. Pour the juice back into the blender, add a cup of ice, and give it one more blend. This will give your slushie that delicious, icy texture. And voila! Your watermelon slushie is ready. Sip it straight from the blender, or pour it into a glass. Garnish with a sprig of mint and a slice of lime, and you've got yourself a refreshing, nutritious, and delicious summer drink. This watermelon slushie is a fantastic way to cool down on those scorching summer days. It's not only refreshing, but also packed with health benefits. It's a great way to stay hydrated and enjoy the taste of summer, all in one glass. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your kitchen and whip up this delightful drink. Enjoy this cool and refreshing drink on a hot summer day. Next, we have the antioxidant-rich iced green tea. Now, when it comes to beverages that are both refreshing and healthy, iced green tea undoubtedly takes the cake. This cool, invigorating drink is packed with antioxidants, which are a boon for the body, especially in the scorching summer heat. Green tea is a treasure trove of health benefits. It's known for its rich content of bioactive compounds like polyphenols, which act as powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants help to combat oxidative stress in the body, promoting overall health. Additionally, green tea is believed to enhance brain function, aid in weight loss, and even lower the risk of certain types of cancer. All this, and it makes a delightful iced beverage too. To make iced green tea, you'll need just a handful of ingredients: green tea leaves or bags, water ice, and a sweetener of your choice. Start by brewing the green tea. For every cup of water, use 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves or 1 tea bag. Let the tea steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. Remember, the longer you steep, the more antioxidants you extract. After steeping, remove the leaves or tea bag and let the tea cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, sweeten your brew if desired. You can use honey, sugar, or even a sugar substitute, according to your preference. Stir well until the sweetener is completely dissolved. Now comes the best part, icing the tea. Fill a tall glass with ice, pour the cooled tea over the ice, and voila! Your iced green tea is ready. You can garnish it with a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint for an extra refreshing twist. In the sizzling summer, there's nothing quite like a glass of iced green tea. It's a drink that cools you down while delivering a host of health benefits. So, the next time the sun is beating down, and you're in need of a refreshing pick-me-up, whip up a quick batch of this delicious, antioxidant-rich beverage. Sip on this healthy and refreshing iced green tea to beat the summer heat. Moving on, we have the tangy and sweet strawberry lemonade. Ah, strawberries, those little heart-shaped fruits that are packed full of goodness. They're high in antioxidants, vitamin C, manganese, and provide an excellent source of fiber. Not only do they add a sweet and tart flavor to our lemonade, but they also lend a beautiful rosy hue that's sure to brighten up your day. On the other hand, we have lemons, the zesty citrus fruit that's a powerhouse of vitamin C. It's known to boost your immune system, improve your skin quality, and even aid in digestion. When combined with strawberries, they create a harmonious blend of tart and sweetness that's simply irresistible. Now let's talk about how you can prepare this delightful drink at home. You'll need a handful of ripe strawberries, a couple of freshly squeezed lemons, some sugar or honey to taste, and a pitcher of cold water. Start by washing the strawberries thoroughly, and then hull them. Toss these strawberries into your blender, add a little water, and blend until you have a smooth puree. Next, squeeze out the juice from your lemons and add it to your strawberry puree. Stir in your sweetener of choice, whether it's sugar or honey, and mix until it's well combined. Finally, pour this mixture into a pitcher, top it off with cold water, give it a good stir, and voila! Your homemade strawberry lemonade is ready. This drink is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a visual delight. The vibrant red color of strawberries combined with the refreshing green of the lemon slices floating in the pitcher is a sight to behold. And the best part? You can make this drink in bulk and store it in the refrigerator for those hot summer days when you need instant refreshment. Just pour yourself a glass, sit back, and enjoy the symphony of flavors. A glass of strawberry lemonade is sure to keep you refreshed all day. Next on our list is the creamy and delicious Mango Lassi. This luscious drink hails from the Indian subcontinent, a region renowned for its rich flavors and traditions. Mango Lassi is a blend of ripe mangoes and creamy yogurt, two ingredients that not only tantalize your taste buds but also bring a host of health benefits. Let's start with the star of the show, the mango. Often hailed as the king of fruits, mangoes are a powerhouse of vitamins A and C, which are essential for a healthy immune system. They're also rich in fiber, helping to keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. And let's not forget the sweet tropical flavor that makes this fruit a universal favorite. Now let's talk about the second key ingredient, yogurt. This creamy delight is a great source of protein and calcium. It also contains probiotics, the friendly bacteria that promote a healthy gut. Besides, yogurt adds a subtle tanginess to the Mango Lassi, perfectly balancing the sweetness of the mangoes. Making Mango Lassi is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, peel and chop a ripe mango. Then, in a blender, combine your mango pieces with a cup of chilled yogurt, a dash of sugar, and some ice. Blend until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, feel free to add a splash of milk. And there you have it, a refreshing Mango Lassi, ready in minutes. But we're not done yet. For an extra touch of indulgence, top your Mango Lassi with a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of cardamom. These optional garnishes add a touch of sophistication and an extra layer of flavor. Whether you're lounging by the pool or hosting a summer barbecue, Mango Lassi is a surefire way to impress. It's not just a drink, it's a taste of tropical paradise in a glass. Beat the heat with this tropical delight. We've had quite the journey exploring these refreshing summer drinks. What a whirlwind of flavors we've embarked upon today. From the invigorating watermelon slushie to the calming iced green tea, the tangy strawberry lemonade, and the creamy Mango Lassi, each of these drinks brings its own unique splash of summer right to your lips. Let's take a moment to revisit these thirst quenchers. We kick things off with the watermelon slushie. This vibrant, frosty beverage is not only a treat to the eyes, but also to the taste buds. The natural sweetness of the watermelon, coupled with a splash of lime, creates a symphony of flavors. Plus, it's packed with hydration, perfect for those sweltering summer days. Next on our list was the iced green tea, a soothing, antioxidant-rich drink that's as refreshing as it is healthy. The delicate balance of the aromatic tea with a hint of honey and a squeeze of lemon creates a truly revitalizing experience. Then we dived into the tangy delight of strawberry lemonade. This fruity concoction is a perfect blend of sweet and sour, promising an instant pick-me-up. The vibrant red strawberries, the zesty lemons, and a touch of sugar combine to make a drink that's as delightful to look at as it is to sip. And last but not least, the Mango Lassi. This Indian origin drink offers the creaminess of yogurt mixed with the tropical sweetness of mangoes. It's a smooth, rich, and utterly delicious way to beat the summer heat. Each of these drinks is easy to whip up at home and offers a refreshing way to stay hydrated and cool during the warm summer months. They're a testament to the fact that staying hydrated doesn't have to be boring. It can be delicious, vibrant, and fun. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and enjoy your summer with these refreshing drinks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Until next time, cheers.